Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 15 Pro Max back camera shaking after update iOS 18.2. Okay, so in this video I will show you how I can fix that camera issue on my iPhone. There are some method to solve that. So first of all, you need to open up your iPhone settings. Okay, in settings app you need to scroll down, tap on camera. After tapping the camera, you can see appears on screen showing here preserve settings. Tap on that, okay, and turn all option and go back to iPhone home screen. And after that, you need to force to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. Okay. If that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open up iPhone settings again. Okay. In settings, you need to tap on airplane mode, turn it on and then turn it off. After 5 to 10 seconds, then go back to the settings and tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down again. Okay, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, now you need to tap on reset and reset all setting and apply it on your iPhone. Okay, if that method also not working, then make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone. If you have any hardware issue in your iPhone, just contact the nearest Apple store. They will fix your issue. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone camera shaking issue on iPhone iOS 18. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.